This is a remote learning initiative by State Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE Board, New Delhi, located in Bhasai, Mumbai, in the state of Maharashtra, India. Myself, Mamuni Sarkar, teacher of Junior KG, and today in this video, we will learn how to write cursive capital letter H. Page number 255. Introduction of cursive letter H. In this worksheet, we will learn how to write cursive letter H. Before that, we will read that story. You also read with me. Now you can also read, na? See, what is this? A. H-A-W-K-E-R. Hawker. A hawker was selling handicrafts across the bay. His hoardings had headlines which said, "Hooray! Halt and stay." This is his headlines which said, "Hooray! Halt and stay." He was humming happy songs on his harmonium every day, telling the stories of a hopping horse and a hippo on a happy day. This is the hopping horse and this is the hippo. See, here HR already it is in orange in color. You have to find H. This is also H. H for hawker, H for handicrafts, H for hoardings, H for headlines, H for hooray, H for halt, H for humming, H for happy, H for his, H for harmonium, H for hopping, H for horse, H for hippo, and H for happy. Okay? Now, H. H says H. Say with me. H says H. H for harmonium. H says H. H for harmonium. H for helmet. H for headlights. Now we will learn how to write capital cursive H. See, just trace the line. First, go up. Trace the line. Go up. Then one standing line. Little slanting it is. Then go up. Little curve. Then one more slanting line. Then one curve. Touch the line. Then go out. Then curve and come back to this point and go out. Okay? Here, see, arrows are there. As per these arrows, you have to go up, then see, down. Down, then curve. Okay? Then one more slanting line. See, this arrow is showing you how to go. Then one curve, go out, then come back to this point and little out. First, trace this. Then you can color this. With your favorite color, color the H. Okay? Then here also you have to write. This is H for harmonium, na? Write H. Slanting, write H. H for harmonium. H for helmet. And H for headlights. Okay? Now trace. First, go up. Slanting line, come down, a curve. One more slanting line, a curve, like this. Only you have to trace. Go up, come down, curve, slanting line, and take a curve. Red line to blue line. Okay, you have to start from first blue line, touch the red line, then touch the second blue line and curve. Then red line to second blue line, a slanting line, then a curve. Understood? Trace here also. Like this. H. Now here you have to write. See how? Touch the blue line, first blue line. Okay? Go up. Touch the red line. Here line is important. Then little slanting line, touch the second blue line, curve. Then one more slanting. It is standing line only, little slanting. Okay? Then start from this. Start from here. Take a curve, go out like this. Okay? Go up. It should be red line to second blue line. Okay? Like this you have to practice. And here line is important. Then take a curve and go out. Okay, like this you have to complete the full page. Then turn the page. This is page number 256. 256. Here, page number 256. H. Here also you have to trace. Go up, come down, take a little curve, one more slanting line, then one curve, and go up like this. Then color it also. Then H says H. H says H. H for hammer. H for hammer. H for hanger. H for hanger. H for hockey stick. H for hockey stick. Then here also you have to write. You have to start from blue line to red line. Then come down. Take a little curve. Slanting line. Then a curve. Here also like this. Line is important, okay? Touch the blue line, go up to red line, then come down, take a curve, one more slanting line, then a curve and go up. Okay? Slowly, slowly. See. Yes. Like this, you have to complete the full page. Both the pages you have to complete. 255 and 256. Happy learning!